Hello, students and parents of 7L. My name's Renee Austin, and I just thought because I'm a brand new teacher to Cranbourne Secondary College, I would do a quick little introduction video so that you know who I am and what's going on for the rest of the year. So I'll be your teacher for the remainder of this year for English, Humanities and Life Skills. So just like other subjects with this term for remote learning, your lesson plans will be up on Compass each day, and we'll also use Teams to meet virtually. So open up Compass, check the lesson plan, go into the resources tab and download any resources that you need for the lesson, and then come across into Teams for the subject. And most days I'll have a video conference going so that we can go through the lesson together. You can ask questions, you can check with me about anything you might be stuck on or confused about. And then later in the lesson, we can talk about what we did and what we learned. Okay, so just so that we can still have some of that working together and talking about part of the lesson together. Now, I also have you for form assembly on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So someone else will mark you on Wednesday and Thursday. I've put the link to our form assembly team on Compass for you guys on our form assembly Compass page. So if you're not sure where to go, just click on that link and it will take you into the team. Now, I will post a message in that team on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and you just need to reply to that message and say, I'm here, or I'm present, or good morning by 9 o'clock. And that means that I'll be able to mark you present on Compass. Okay, don't forget it's really important to do that. Otherwise, you'll be marked absent, and your family will be contacted to check if you're okay or where you are. Okay, so moving along, like I said, someone else will take the form assembly on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So contacting me, my work days are Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Once again, I can be contacted on my email. So I've put my email here for you, or you can find my email on Compass. You can contact me in Teams, so via the chat function, or while we're having our video conference lessons, you can talk to me then. Or if you or your parents need to speak to me on the phone, that's completely fine as well. Just send me an email and I'll arrange to call you on the phone number that you've got in Compass. Okay? Please do not hesitate to contact me at any time. I am here to help. I'm not at school on Wednesday or Thursday, as I said. However, you can still contact me. I might just take a little bit longer to reply on those days, okay? So I might need up to 24 hours to get back to you because I don't always check my emails on my non-work days. So if it's something urgent, it might be best to speak to a different teacher or just send me an email and put urgent in the subject. And when I do get around to checking it, I'll make sure I reply really quickly, okay? So a little bit about me, because you have no idea who I am and we're not even going to meet face to face for quite some time, which is pretty strange, but I think we'll get to know each other quite well over Teams and we'll make the best of the situation. So I have been a teacher in the area for a few years now, and I've been teaching mainly English and humanities too, and a few other subjects. So my favourite thing about being a teacher is getting to see students achieve success and improvement. I love it when kids have a moment where something just clicks, or something they've been working hard on in a subject suddenly makes sense and they show improvement. Or it might be something else outside of the classroom that they've had success and growth with. And it's really exciting to get to help students with that sort of thing. Some of my favourite things outside school, so hobbies and that sort of thing. I love animals. I've got 3 beautiful pet cats and some birds as well at home. I love to read. I like novels and biographies and reading all sorts of things. I also like to do some sewing and some craft when I get time. But my favourite thing is spending time with my little 1-year-old daughter. So she keeps me very, very busy. I'm sure from time to time you might hear her voice in the background when we're doing some lessons. And that's the reason why I'm a part-time teacher, is so that I can have lots of time at home with my daughter while she's little. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and everyone in 7L. Um, Hopefully we'll get some time to get to know each other more, and I'll get to know the things that you enjoy and what you've been working on in your classes last term, and yeah, all sorts of things. So let's make it a really positive, fun, and productive rest of the year together. Again, if you have any questions, anything you're stuck on, please send me an email or chat to me in Teams. Um, I'm new to the school, as I said, so there's a lot of things that I'm still learning about how the college works. I'm also new to using Teams and OneNote and all those sorts of programs, so please bear with me. There'll probably be things that you can do better than I can do that you might have to help me with, because they're new programs for me. So we'll have lots of patience for each other and we'll figure everything out together. All right, thank you for watching and listening, and I'll see you in class.